Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best hose adapter is probably one of the most underrated accessories for your Shop-Vac. It's the unsung hero that bridges the gap between your vacuum and a multitude of tools and tasks. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, the right adapter can significantly boost your Shop-Vac's versatility, making cleanup a breeze and projects more efficient. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Shop-Vac hose adapters. Number 5. Cen-Tec 94698 Quick Click 10 Feet Hose. This is a commercial-grade vacuum hose designed for home and shop use. It easily connects to most major brands of shop vacuums and a wide range of power tools. This allows for efficient dust collection. The hose is highly flexible with a smooth interior to prevent clogging. It also features a swivel air relief for suction control. This design ensures optimal airflow and ease of use. It comes with a quick-click system for connecting to power tools. The fittings are designed to fit various exhaust ports. Changing the fittings is quick and easy, providing a 360-degree swivel. This product is designed to fit most major power tool brands. It also works with a wide range of shop vacuums. It's a versatile solution for your dust collection needs. This is an expanded version with additional adapters. It includes various sizes to fit different tools and vacuums. This ensures compatibility and a secure fit for all your needs. What we like. This hose adapter is designed for maximum versatility. It connects to a wide range of power tools and shop vacuums. It features a quick-click system for easy attachment. If you have multiple power tools from different brands and need a reliable dust collection solution, you should consider this. What people say. The quick clip system and multiple adapters make it super easy to switch from one tool to the next, and keep the power tools running. Hose connector is designed to allow the hose to spin freely, so the hose isn't twisting as you change angles, most noticeable on the sander. Long 16-foot hose makes it easy to leave your shop vac relatively in one place, and be able to reach multiple tools. Number 4. POWERTEC 70140 Hose Reducer for Dust Collection. This is the POWERTEC 70140 Hose Reducer. It's a handy tool for your dust collection system. It helps you connect different sized hoses and accessories. The reducer converts a 2-to-1.2-inch dust port to a 1-to-1.4 connection. This allows you to use smaller accessories with your larger dust collection system. It maintains airflow and efficiency. The package includes one dust collection hose reducer. It's all you need to get started with connecting different sized hoses. It's a simple and effective solution. The reducer features a universal, non-threaded, tapered design. This design accommodates a wide range of wet-dry vac attachments. It's versatile and easy to use. It's made from durable, all-black ABS plastic. This construction is designed to withstand the wear and tear of a professional workshop. This ensures it will last. The 2-to-1.2-inch end measures 2-to-1532 OD and 2-to-1.4 ID. The 1-to-1.4-inch end measures 1-to-316 OD and 1 ID. These precise measurements ensure a secure and effective connection. What we like. This adapter simplifies connecting larger hoses to smaller accessories. It's built with durable ABS plastic for long-lasting use. The universal design fits various attachments. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to adapt your dust collection system, you should consider this. What people say. It fits perfectly and is exactly what I needed. Works great with my shop vac and various attachments. This adapter is a lifesaver for connecting different hoses and tools to my shop vac. Number 3. Universal vacuum attachments and hose adapters. This universal vacuum adapter fits most vacuum attachments. It has multiple size connectors, making it compatible with various vacuum models. You can easily cut it to fit your specific needs. The set includes a variety of attachments such as adapters, brushes, and crevice tools. These accessories are designed to enhance your cleaning experience. They are perfect for different cleaning tasks. This vacuum attachment set is easy to install and detach, with no tools required. It can be used for both wet and dry pickup. It's recommended to replace the brush tools every 1 to 3 months for optimal performance. The vacuum brush attachments are versatile and can clean various surfaces. It is suitable for cleaning desktops, keyboards, sofas, carpets, floors, vents, blinds, cars, and pet hair. These handy tools provide convenience in your cleaning work. The small end of the extension wand can be attached to other tools. It provides all-around cleaning for your home, office, or car. It is a great helper for your family. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive solution for various vacuuming needs. It includes multiple adapters to fit different hose sizes. It comes with a variety of attachments for different cleaning tasks. If you like having a complete set of tools for all your cleaning needs, you should consider this. What people say. They are well made with a variety of attachments. They will also fit my Shop-Vac and other vacuums I have thanks to the adapter included. This is a well-built and well-designed 114 extension and nozzle set. Number 2. Shop-Vac 906-8733 Universal Tool Adapter. This Shop-Vac adapter connects hoses to power tools. It can be cut to size and fits dust collection boxes, keeping your workspace clean. This is a very useful tool. Made of flexible, soft plastic, this adapter fits multiple opening sizes. You can cut it to fit different diameters. You'll find this accessory very versatile. Shop-Vac offers a full line of products, including wet-dry vacuums and attachments. Whatever the job, this brand has you covered. They have everything you need. Shop-Vac provides a complete line of vacuum cleaners and cleaning tools. They have options for home, industrial, and commercial use. This brand is a great choice. Shop-Vac Corporation is a world leader in wet-dry vacuum cleaners. Since 1965, they have made high-quality vacuum cleaners and accessories. The products are very reliable. This adapter is used to connect virtually any power tool to all Shop-Vac wet-dry vacuums. It's a simple solution to a common problem. It is also black. What we like. This adapter is designed for easy customization. It can be cut to fit various sizes. It is made of soft, flexible plastic for a secure fit. If you are looking for a simple, adaptable solution for connecting your tools to your Shop-Vac, you should consider this. What people say. This adapter fits over, or replaces, a 212-inch exhaust port and can be cut, stretched, or clamped to fit nearly any vacuum cleaner hose between 5/8 inch to just over 2 inches. They will fit, or can be made to fit, the dust ports on several of my tools, including my DeWalt DW423 RO sander and Makita 9220 belt sander, as well as the coupling on my 1/4 cable vac hose. This adapter allows me to use my 114-inch old-style Shop-Vac attachments with my newer 214 vac and vice versa. Number 1. Universal Vacuum Hose Adapter Kit. This adapter kit works with vacuum hoses and extension wands with an inner diameter of 33 mm to 38 mm. It allows you to connect your vacuum cleaner to various attachments. Check your hose size before ordering to ensure a proper fit. The kit supports many popular vacuum brands and models, including Miele, Bissell, Electrolux, Kenmore, and Shark. It is designed to resolve fitting issues and expand the usability of your existing attachments. Please note that this adapter kit is not compatible with Shop-Vac 214-inch vacuum hoses or Dyson vacuums. Ensure your vacuum cleaner is compatible before purchase. The kit includes adapters with multiple layers, allowing for customization. You can cut and combine them to fit various power tools, such as circular saws and sanders. This helps connect your tools to a vacuum for dust collection. The small adapter is compatible with Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Crosswave models and Electrolux Oxygen vacuums. The large adapter works with Shark NV3XX and NV5XX series. It helps these vacuums use 114-inch and 138-inch attachments. What we like. This kit is designed to solve fitting issues with a wide range of vacuums. It includes adapters for power tools, ensuring a good fit. It is compatible with many popular vacuum brands. If you like to ensure compatibility with your existing vacuum and accessories, you should consider this. What people say. There's enough attachments in here that you can make it work with your vacuum. Good variety of adapters. I used quite a few on different attachments and they work great.
If you buy this set, it includes one piece, the adapter for power tools, the graduated one in the middle of the main pick, that will fit over the DWV9000 with the big end, and into the Shop-Vac hose with the smaller end. Just cut off the excess, smaller adapter, part. It's a flexible, not rigid, plastic rubber, so it molds itself well to the other connections. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.